Welcome to Sumo's Projects. I know it's been a long time since I posted a video, but I'm hoping to ramp up production on a few more videos coming up. But what have I been up to? I'd like to just say I've been actually quite busy. Built by Chris and I, we're doing the Measure Twice, Cut Once YouTube channel as well as a podcast at the moment, so that's going along really good. So, crikey, where are we? Who's this bloke?
Didn't we share a cell together once?
Ah, I think that's what happened.
Right.
Yeah,
right.
Yeah, they were troubled waters there back then, mate.
If you had to watch,
Yeah, I heard the whole story. Yeah.
the watch controls everything. Watch, I'll hit it and you'll stop. I'll hit it again and you'll start.
What every time you come over, you pick on what I got and what I don't.
Shut up!
I know.
I don't want to go on about it. But you're forcing me to.
Yeah, we're at the same one. Put the link down in the description below. So if you'd like to go over there, maybe think about subscribing and following that content. It's getting guest interviews and talking about topics related to making. So had the opportunity to interview some wonderful guests and have a partnership program with some good Australian businesses as well. Internationals, Carl Pope Woodcraft's been on from the UK, Victor from Down Under Woodworks, a couple of the partners to the show, and also the wonderful Ainsley and the Putter Punter Mark Dana. Probably enjoyed that one. A little bit different, and it's also an audio podcast. So wherever you stream those, you'll be able to find Measure Twice, Cut Once. I have been doing some videos as well for Carbatec here in Australia. So they're a woodworking supply company, and they've been really terrific to work with. And I'm making some I'm making things for them to put on their channel related to Kreg projects, so pocket hole joinery, things like that. I'm doing from Sumo's Projects, both on YouTube and Instagram. In today's build, I'm going to be constructing a TV cabinet that's purposefully built to accommodate the size of television and other things that I have for one of my bedrooms. So don't forget your safety gear, and also go ahead and subscribe to Carbatec channel for all the latest videos on Kreg DIY products. Let's look into it. Working with a company like Carbatec for the Kreg range of products has been fantastic and a good experience for me to further push myself to make videos that are a little bit different to what I would do on my own Sumo's project. So links down below, guys. And I've been thoroughly enjoying that, so big thumbs up to Carbatec and Kreg. I'll put those links down below as well, so if you want to go and have a look at those individual videos and perhaps you know, a little bit of support that way, it'll be good. So, big news. I've been going through a whole mental process of trying to re-establish the boundaries and limitations of any workshop, particularly mine, because one of the things I have found, I did get myself into a clutter, and that led to a lot of frustration to the energy and workflow that I had, and I didn't want to come in the workshop for a lot of reasons. So I have in the last week done a big transformation. I will do a shop tour video when I get it finished, but along the way I might put a few videos out just discussing and describing some of the changes I made to make me feel better in this environment. And yeah, look, it's we all go through the process, and it's not until you get it right, you know, then you can say, yep, I'm starting to feel good about the workshop, and it's a place I want to be. So a few videos along those lines, as well as I'm planning a few videos on some other topics. I'm going to do some reviews. We have the hashtag Wood Jigs 21 challenge that ends at the end of August, so just over a week to go. And I should be submitting my video Sunday night, this upcoming Sunday. So look out for that one if you want. And there's been some really good participation. Thanks to James Finger for hosting that, and some prizes to be won as well. So top stuff. Keep the challenges coming, guys. Yeah, today we got Makers of Interest. It's back. I never left, but I haven't done one of these videos for a while, so I want to include a couple of nice people and just people who are putting their best foot forward in giving YouTube a go. It's quieting down. Don't have to be Einstein to work that out. Even the big makers don't get the views they used to. And look, it's a saturation of the market. It's just how it is. Unless I come out dressed as a clown or, did woodworking, would I probably get any further recognition? I'm not worried about that because, in essence, you build up a hardcore fan following, and those people are the ones that matter. That's all I have to focus on, If new people come along and they want to be participating in, what I do, that's even better. So, all the more merrier. That's the way we've got to look at it nowadays. And if you don't, you become disgruntled and you give up on your hobby of filming videos and enjoying the whole process of editing and still remaining in the community. Anyway, so a little bit of talk there. All the videos, all the links I'm going to put down below. Please go and have a look and please support them because they're, things I'm involved with, so I appreciate that. Anyway, so I'm not going to tell you who the Makers of Interest are. I'm just going to hop into it, and I hope you enjoy. All right, guys. Until we watch that, let's get cracking on that.
With building lock benches and how I crashed 2 drills while doing just that.
So today's first maker of interest is Jesper from Jesper Makes in Denmark. I've been following Jesper for about over 12 months now, I think, and what I first found about his channel, it's a refreshing look at a combination of things. It's a little bit of homesteading as well as a lot of woodworking, but very rustic type woodworking. And Jesper goes through and uses a lot of reclaimed materials. He's got some excellent videos that I implore you to go and watch. I'll be linking all these channels down below, but yeah, you'll find that it's quite different to some of the other things you might have seen in the past. And to be honest, it's something that's going to be the different key to going forwards in YouTube, I think, because as we know, there's a saturation of content out there which is very much the same. I'm guilty of that, but we have to always look at our own performance and see where we can enhance things just that little bit more. Jesper makes his own beeswax finish here, and this is supposed to stand the test of time with the burnt board, and then he uses linseed oil and then finishes off with this beautiful beeswax made on the homestead. Jesper's a good guy. He's always around. He takes part in challenges and always sort of, wanting to be part of the community. And that's what I look out for. They're the people I call, pretty special people because they don't just, they're not just there for 1 second, but they're there for the long haul. So Jesper Makes from Denmark. Get onto it. Second wonderful maker of interest here is Harky. He's from Texas in the USA. Once again, I've been sort of formed a bit of a friendship with Harky. He's been around for a couple of years in the YouTube community and always makes some really refreshing content as well. Partakes in the makers challenges that we'll sometimes get wind of, and it's always lovely to see him produce a video. And he's not afraid to try different things. That's what I like about Harky. he's got that sort of, give everything a go sort of mentality. That's quite important. So, like, I suppose you could say diversify your own portfolio, because nothing ventured, nothing gained is pretty much the name of the game. So, yes, some interesting work here. He's making some good Dutchman here, so enjoying everything Harky's done. He's puts a lot of emphasis on making a really fine end product, which is something that I find, all of us should aspire to be making, and making it look this wonderful. It's a great reflection on workmanship. Harky's got a really good sense of humour as well, so he did make mention he stole this little part here off his wife in the kitchen and claimed ownership of it, which is, why not?
I was kind of rushing to make the deadline and I kind of blew her hand off. It's okay though, she's still got 4 fingers left. Again, safety first, make sure you got your suntan lotion on before you go to the beach.
So there you go, 2 great makers of interest, and please always leave people comments, because it's the encouraging thing to do to let them know that someone out there who's enjoyed their video, and and let them know that they've enjoyed it. So guys, until the next time, I'll say hooroo.